We are going to be playing Anomalous coffee machine, whatever. 2 demo. So we're just gonna try this out, and if you guys like it, maybe I'll download the full version. But I never seen this game. I've never seen any videos on this game, but it looked pretty fun. It looked pretty fun from the images that I saw on Steam, and I thought I'd try it out on the channel. So let's do this. Yes, I'm sure. Whoa, hello. What brought you here, sir? This place isn't for... Anyway. Ahem. Huh? This is so awkward. Well, I'll just assume you know this place already. However, but since I'm still required by my superiors to do this, I'll make an introduction anyway. Hello, sir. I'm Haru, and I'm designated operator of this Anomalous coffee machine. In case you don't know yet, this machine can dispense anything you can imagine into liquid form. So like that one SUP, it's like, I don't know the name, but I'll put it on screen. Okay. It can dispense a cup of anything and is totally drinkable. Literally anything you can imagine, as long as you can have a word up for it. Just click on the keyboard and type a word or a few words. It may or may not work. Just try your luck and see what happens. But remember that anything can happen or nothing at all. My sole purpose is to guide travelers like you on operating this machine until you find what you're looking for. Whatever the HE double hockey sticks it is. Whoa. Anyway, that's all, I suppose. You may click on me if you need anything. Or you can click the hint button on the top left of the screen for hints. It's the light bulb button, so this one. Just stay cautious, okay? Why is she crying? Anyways, let's try some water. Let's get some water. Start out normal first. Please wait. Producing a cup of water. What? Why do we need to do all this for some water? I'll drink it. It's water, right? Unlock the new cup. Oh, I was clicking away. I didn't read. I guess even plain water can feel strange when you don't trust where it came from. Funny how something so simple can still leave you wondering what's missing. Okay, now what if I did... let's try rocks. No, that's too boring. Let's try... It said anything, so let's try a cup of leaves. No, that's still too boring. Let's try... I don't know. Maybe, please wait. Producing a cup of rocks. Cup of rocks is now ready. Cup of rocks. Let her drink it. This cup of rocks tastes like... It's very hard to say. Overall, this cup of rocks tastes like meh. Did you just say my cup of rocks tasted like meh? What was your name again? Huh? My rocks tasted like meh. What was your name again? Right? This? What the HE double hockey sticks are you typing? Are you a freaking psycho? No. Nobody says my cup of rocks taste bad. Oh, did she just say the same thing? What, can I drink myself? Me. Producing a cup of me. Oh no, can I? Can I drink myself? Oh no. Let her drink it. This cup of rocks. Rocks? Rocks, no, I said me. Hair, let's, wait. Can I eat? Wait. Just wait. Hear me out in this one. Her hair. Okay, let's just try hair. Producing a cup of hair. Skip. Cup of hair is now ready. Drink this. Huh, this tastes like, I don't know. Maybe the word hair just don't work on this machine. Let's try root beer. Root beer. Huh? Can't get root beer? Oh, maybe it's because she thought I was trying to get beer? Oh, okay, maybe not. I'll drink this. This tastes like, I don't know what it tastes like. Maybe the word hair? What are you talking about, hair? Can I help you, sir? Can I help you, sir? Yes, you can help me. That's the cup box. Oh. Oh wait. What's this? Okay, hint. Here's your first hint. What cleaning substance creates lather when mixed with water? I don't know. Bleach? Skip. Let her drink it. This cup of rocks. Why does it keep doing that? Bleach. What if I drink the bleach? Well, I don't know what to put, and honestly, I think that's enough for today. Guys, I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys did like this video, maybe I'll play it again. I think it's a pretty neat idea, and I still need a lot of help. So if you guys have any tips for me, just let me know in the comments, and see you guys in the next one.